Hello XLM holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now, friends. My friends, you will be very happy after watching this video, friends. So let's start the video, friends. But before starting this interesting video, I request everyone, those people who's listen my voice, so please click the subscribe button now and like this video. If you complete my 10k subscribers, so I will be announce a giveaway of 1000 XLM. So please keep watch ABS Tech channel and stay connected with us. Click the subscribe button now, friends. Let's move on and let's talk about the Stellar XLM. As you know that the huge pump of the Stellar XLM are coming soon. So when will the huge pump start? Let's see, my friends. So my friends, if we look the current price, the latest price of the XLM in the market, so you can see here 0.426284 USD dollar is the currently latest price of the XLM. On the other side, if you look the changes occurs in the XLM, so you can see here that the last 1 hour price change is positive, last 1 day price change is again positive, and last 1 week price change is again negative. Only the last 1 week price change is negative, except of these now from the yesterday the price change is going positive. The prices start moving upward, friends, and I hope that very soon XLM will hit a 1 USD dollar, friends. So let's talk about the biggest pump, the huge pump. You can see here that you can easily understand, you can easily feel the big pump, the huge pump of the XLM. You can see here now at the last they start moving upward. So I believe that that is the huge pump of the XLM, and that is just the beginning. The big jump, the huge pump of the XLM are coming soon. So there is a lot of chances today. There is this jump is the continuously jump of XLM for 1 week, friends. So that is why I want to congratulate every XLM holders in advance, friends. So that's my prediction and that's my opinion about XLM, that this jump will be the huge pump of the XLM in the future, friends. So friends, anyways, if you look the changes occur in the XLM, so you can see here that is the last 1 month changes, negative 0.71% negative changes occur in the XLM, and 0.789323 USD dollar is the highest price of XLM. So very soon they are going to hit 1 USD dollar, friends. Anyways, my friends, what is your opinion? What is your prediction about XLM? Please share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.